Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney Kmetz, a nutrition educator out of CCE, Chenango County, and today I'm going to make a quick and easy version of a chicken salad. This is super quick and easy, and this is why I love this chicken salad recipe. So the recipe calls for cooked chicken, but today I thought to even make it that much more quicker, I was going to use canned chicken. So I have 2 cans of chicken in here that have been drained and rinsed very well. I have them in that bowl all ready to go. Couple things to go in this recipe. So we have half a cup of chopped celery to your desired consistency, and also a 1/4 cup of onion. And then it is 3 tablespoons of relish. And then the last ingredient is going to be about half a cup of mayonnaise. And I love this. It's so quick and easy. The best part is you can have it however you want to serve. You could have it in a wrap. You could have it with a whole grain cracker. You could have it just on the side. Maybe you even want to dip with some vegetables or have it over a bed of lettuce. The possibilities are endless, so it's fabulous. So I'm just going to give this a couple good stirs. And there we go. We have our quick and easy version of a chicken salad. Thank you so much, everybody, and I hope you have a wonderful day today. Take care.